the big thing I think is important is if the parents read the standards and they're shared with parents. Most parents, no matter what their educational level is, they want to help their kids. And they want to help them with homework. And if the students understand the standards, the parents are going to help their child with that work. And I really believe that's the main goal. They're explicitly laid out. There's not a lot of interpretation that's needed. So I think parents would welcome that. Students see the end game as well with the standards, so they know where they're supposed to be by the end of the year. And I know in the area where I teach, 38% of the students who go to college the first year generally need to take a remedial English or math course. And that's frightening because students have to pay for that class, they have to pass it with a C, and sometimes they're not admitted to the regular campus. They have to take that at a branch campus. And they have to pay for that before they take any of their regular college courses. So it could be a huge savings if students are prepared.